So hello learners, how are you all? So today we are going to talk about habit cycle because we all know that habit is more important in our life. Because if we are going to do anything, new things we are going to try or we want to achieve anything, so habit matters a lot. Its impact lots in our life because everything happening automatically because of habit. If we develop good habits or bad habits, like if you are an early riser, it's good habit. If you are not a early riser, it's bad habit. If you are not a reader, it's bad habit. But how habit works? So I read about the habit cycle, how our habit works. Gradually we don't focus on it, but it's happening every moment of our life. So there are four things in our habit. This is called habit cycle. Cue, craving, response and reward. So what is this? Let's understand in details. So cue means like I am sitting there and in my mind there is a one thought came that I have to watch reels. Let's spend some time on reels. So this is the cue. It means craving. In my mind, it crave that let's watch some reels to spend the time. When our thoughts in my mind that thoughts come, I will go. So I will go and watch. So what is this? Cue, then craving. It means we crave, like I have to watch, I can't control, let's watch. We can't control, we go. So this is called craving. Cue, it means something, some thought struggle in our mind, and then craving, we go and watch. Then response, what we got the response, like we watch. This is a response. It means we went, our thoughts come in our mind and we went and we watched. This is the response. And the reward means when we watch the reel, after half an hour or 1 hour, we feel good, instant gratification. So this is the whole cycle of the habit cycle, how habit works. Because I am reading this book, so I got this information from this book. So I think I have to share with you all. So there is a cycle of habit loop which I can show with you all. If you can see it, this is the habit loop. This. So this is a habit loop: cue, craving, response and reward. So what is the mean of this? Like I am going to read this. Problem phase. Cue and craving, this is a problem phase. It means your phone buzzes with a new text message. Your phone buzzes with a new text message. This is the cue. Second is craving. You want to learn the content of the message. You want to learn the content of the message. What is there in that message? This is a craving. Then third, response. You grab your phone and read the text. This is the response. And the third, reward. You satisfy your craving. You satisfy your craving to read the message. Grabbing your phone becomes associated with your phone buzzing. So this is a cycle of habit, how our habit works on a daily basis. So if we are not going to understand it, we can't do anything. So we have to remove, we have to overcome from our cue. If in our mind any thought come, we have to just stop ourselves and ask, this is good for me or not? I have to do it or not? You have to stop immediately. Then you can stop the whole cycle. If you are not going to stop this, you can't stop the whole cycle. Cue, craving, response and reward. So this was the habit cycle which I shared with you all, and I think you got some value from this video. So keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. We will meet in next video.